welcome to Linux Tips of the Day, Day 1, how not to accidentally remove a file in Linux. So for whatever shell you have, let's say you had a file that was really important and you were typing in this remove command accidentally and you hit return, oops. So you accidentally remove that really important file. So that kind of sucks, right? The first thing we usually do on a new shell is to make sure before you delete a file that it will ask you first. Okay, so the command in Linux is to use rm, removing a file. But there's a way that you can have it ask you before it deletes. So the way to do this is using an alias. So every time I use remove, the rm command, I want to instead interactively ask me. So -i. So if I do this as an alias, then if I say remove a file again in the future, it will say, oh, are you sure you want to remove? I'm like, no, don't remove it. So if you did this, then in the future, you won't accidentally remove a file. And the next time you do it on shell, if you reboot your machine and come back in, this won't be saved. So the best thing to do is to put this into your bash profile. So bash profile. So if you put this into the end of your bash profile, then every time you log in again, this very important safety mechanism will still be here. Okay, thanks for watching.